Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. To those that have not yet subscribed, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like, share. You can also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. If there's anything you don't understand, make sure you comment. I'll watch out for it. So, like I said, we are now on an uptrend move on DXY or the USD index. Basically, dollar is now giving us a bullish move. So any PS we will be trading to dollar or DXY should give us a bearish move. So you can clearly see that this was an impulse move, which was trading above our 10 period simple moving average on the weekly time frame, right? Right now, you can see we've now broken below this moving average. And definitely a correction is playing, which is more visible on the 4-hour time frame and daily time frame. We will get into that soon. But when we can see it here is that price has broken our 10 period simple moving average. Like I said, correction is playing. Once the correction is over, what we'll be expecting is another drop. So basically, what we would want to see on this day XY for this week is, let us see if we can have about 100 pips drop and more. We should be expecting probably like 150 to 200 pips bearish move. But if we can grab 100 pips bearish move or 100 pips drops on Euro USD, that will be fine, right? So let's say from here to this level that I've highlighted, which is 100 pips. So this is the level that I am watching out for, which is a level of 1.05892. Currently, we are trading at 1.06935. You can check it right. Now, the target I am watching out for is 1.05892. Hit the level and possibly break below. So basically, what I'm trying to say is that Euro USD will definitely drop for this week. Downward to the daily time frame, we clearly can see that this was literally an impulse move. Then a bit of a correction, kind of, a range market move, as we may call it, literally played within this level. Then price eventually broke above this level. So let me highlight it properly so there is kind of like a correction within this level, right? So price broke below it. So we are seeing a correct movement upward. So a little bit of this movement upward, once it tap the moving average, what I will be expecting is another drop. So like I said, a drop to this level that I've just mentioned. That will, in case we even be giving us 100 plus pips, we'll be getting extra pips. But like I said, a target of 100 pips for this week will be fine. So we will be expecting a drop on Euro USD. Before I continue, to those of you that probably you are having a losing trade, or you are blowing your account, you are failing to actually make some profit. All I've intend to do is actually to share out some of my trade for the week and trade for the day that I will be trading. All those my profitable trade. It is what I will be sharing with you instead of blowing your account and wasting like your money. All you just have to do is become one of my Patreon subscriber. I'm going to be sharing you trade for the day and trade for the week. But basically, almost my trade that I've traded, majority of it are actually a win. If you've been following this my channel consistently, you will know I actually put some updates here. I'm actually correct. So if in case you are interested, I'll put a link in the comment section. Become one of my Patreon subscriber, and you can see I've actually posted a trade that we will be taking on Monday. We are going to be looking at two trades we will be taking on Monday, and also trade for the week. I've actually made two trade that we'll be looking at for the week. So you can actually check it on my Patreon channel. So if in case you are interested with just 20 USD, I promise you are going to get a better trade. Yes, all the trade that I give, all of them can't be 100% correct, but I can assure you that we would have about 80% correct. Most of the trade that I put on my Patreon channel are actually correct. So once you become my Patreon subscriber, you will get it. When you now apply risk management, I can assure you every week your trade will be profitable. Like I said, I will be sharing my trade for the day and also trade for the week for you to go ahead and trade. And if in case there's any trade you would want to trade, right, aside from the trade that I'll be giving, if there's anything you would want to trade, you can go ahead and ask me. question, what do I think? I will help you analyze it and see probably maybe an entry point and exit points for you. Any trade you think you are not really comfortable, you want to take, but you are not really sure, you can direct message me. That is if you become my Patreon subscriber, I'll be able to go help you out basically. That is what I intend to do. So check the link in the comment section, become one of our Patreon subscriber, and let's start winning in this forex market. Now back to my analysis. Like I said, a little bit of a correction will be played out before price will eventually drop. Will this price actually come up to take out this resistance level? As you can see, there's possibility it can. Yes, we should not doubt it very much can come to take this resistance level that it is ranging before it actually drops. So in case, watch out for it. So if in case you need an entry point to actually go ahead and sell on this, then become my Patreon subscriber. I'm going to give you an entry point so you'll be able to take that trade. So what we can see here is literally kind of like a break out of this level. So if in case price will come to this same level, that would be 80 plus pips. And in case it will drop, but I don't think it will actually come. But if it will come, then no problem. I'm going to watch the trade, take out, check some fundamental news, take a look at what will be happening. Then it is then we'll be able to determine the entry point. So if you become my Patreon subscriber, I'm going to give you an entry point. So what I am seeing right now, technically, I am seeing something like an impulse move down, a correction, another impulse move, and here happens to be a correction. So after this, another drop. So if in case it will actually go up, then no problem. We are going to sell from this top. So that is what I have for you for the week. Do not forget to subscribe if you have not yet done that.